been a long time since I stood in front of a camera. But hopefully everything's set up, hopefully I'm in focus, and hopefully you can hear me well. My name is Joshua C, aka Mr. Easy of Easy Gaming. Enough about me, let's roll the intro and get on with this. Now, the main reason you probably clicked onto this video was because of this. This is my first ever own built PC. Now this beast has a Ryzen 5 5600X running through the center of it. It's got a MSI B550 Mag Tomahawk from Motherboard. It is quite lovely, quite a beast, and perfect for everyday use, as well as some good gaming. It has 64 gigs of VENGENCE RGB Corsair 3600 MHz RAM. Now, do I need 64 gig? No, but there was 2 empty slots in there, and now it looks pretty. So, along with that, I have just gotten in a new graphics card. Currently in there, as you can see, is an ASUS 1060 6 gig turbo, which I've had as a temporary card in the meantime while my new card arrived. You will see that new card in the next video. Keep your eyes peeled, subscribe for it, and you will be notified. To go along with all that absolute heat, I have got 7 RGB Corsair fans, 3 at the front, 3 on the radiator, which is keeping that CPU nice and cool, keeping the case and all the components cool, and 1 on the rear for an exhaust. And to control the entire RGB schemes, I am running it all through a Commander Pro from Corsair. It's a very big Corsair themed build, which was my initial plan to begin with. So I'm very happy with the way it's turned out. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for hitting play on the video. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for jumping along. If you do want to be one of the first on this journey, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit the follow, hit the like, hit whatever is down below this video. Thank you very much. I'm pretty sure I've missed some information on this PC, but anything I have missed, anything you're interested in, all the details will be directly below in the description. If you guys get bored as well, I do stream on Twitch every week. You can follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitch, follow me on YouTube. You know the deal already. It's all in the description below. So once again, thank you very much guys, and I will see you next time in the next video. Peace.